And today we're doing Christmas dinner for you. Who says that gourmet has to be complicated and it can't be simple, quick, and easy? And who says that you can't relax? So I'm going to show you today how you can actually watch the football game, spend time with your family, and make a gourmet, delicious meal. So first, I kind of want to tell you what we have here and the vitamin content that's in what we have for your food ingredients. First, I have some chicken, and that has your B6, B12, and your niacin. Then I have your basil from our pesto. Now, pesto has pine nuts in it, and it has a little lemon juice and olive oil, and that's how pesto is made. So actually, this was store-bought pesto I've gotten, but you can make it scratch for yourself, or you can buy it. Again, because this is supposed to be an easy peasy Christmas dinner, we don't want to spend too much time slaving in the kitchen. So this has vitamin C, K, as well as magnesium. That's what's in your basil. And then now you also have your potatoes. Who doesn't love potatoes? And what I have here is just a little bit of red potatoes, baby potatoes that I've cut up. A little bit of potato. The bag didn't give me too many purple potatoes. But you have your yellow potatoes, the golden Yukon potatoes, red, as well as a little bit of purple. And your potatoes has your B6, C, and potassium. Mm-hmm. And last but not least, we got to get some sort of green vegetables. And we have our Brussels sprouts, which has our vitamin C, K, folate, and manganese. Okay, so let's get cooking. The theme Ian just brought up, and he reminded me, our theme is Christmas colors, so red and green. So we have Brussels sprouts that Ian is going to mix in a bowl. Mm-hmm. I've already have Brussels sprouts, so these are fresh Brussels sprouts. This will work better if you have fresh and not frozen, because we're going to roast it. And these are some Anjou pears. Anjou pears is the one that has the green skin on them. I peel them and I just chop them into small pieces. And we have some red diced bell peppers.
Oh, they look beautiful.
For our Christmas colors. Or you could use cranberry as well if you wanted to, but we use diced bell peppers today. Okay. And who can go through life without having bacon? So I actually have turkey bacon because Ian doesn't eat pork. So we have turkey bacon, which is healthier for you anyway. So I just diced them up, and we're gonna throw it with our Brussels sprouts and our Anjou pears and our red bell peppers. And Ian's gonna put some olive oil in our spray bottle here.
First, you got to put it on?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, just spray it, Ian. Okay.
Good enough?
That's good enough. And then we're going to have a little bit of salt and black pepper.
That's right. Oh, I got a little spritz. A little spritz.
So about a spoon of salt.
Yes. Explain what kind of salt it is.
Himalayan salt.
Yes, I like the color. Pink.
Which is just so much better for you. Far as not having your blood pressure rise. So using Himalayan salt is better for you if you are a person that suffers from hypertension or have any other health issues. Black pepper, just a little too much, Ian. Just maybe want to do less, about half a spoon of that. Yeah. Yes. Yep, that's good. And he's just gonna use the best tools that we have is our hands.
Oh, I love doing
So Ian's gonna use his hands to mix everything up, and we're gonna put it on our foil tray, which is already all lined up.
I feel like I'm back in my younger days playing.
A lot of de-stressing.
Yes.
So this is like a really good, nice, people think that you slaved all day and you've really kind of roasted your vegetables. You added a little bit of gourmet things to it because you have the colored potatoes, and what we're gonna do with the chicken will give that flair of gourmet and your family think that you cooked all day and you're spending time with them, you know, kind of reminiscing, trying to catch up on everything that's transpired over the last 2 years with you, or watching those great football games that come on Christmas Day.
Oh, my
So
favorite time of
to
the
do
year.
this meal, you know, and be able to spend time with your family is priceless. All right, Ian, we're gonna put this on our foil.
Just
You don't
spread it
have
out.
to put foil, but I like easy cleanup, so I put foil in my pan so you can just throw away the foil when you're done.
Just spread it out, Mom.
You can actually just pour it.
Oh, really?
Just layer it out. Just pour it.
Mm-hmm.
Just get everything on there.
Mm-hmm. Oh, don't lose anything. As you say, Mama, make sure I get everything out.
Get everything out.
To the last drops.
You want to spray a little bit more
Yes.
actually on here.
Okay.
So we'll spray a little bit more.
I love the smell. It's so delicious. It's scented.
And
Look at
we want to be able to see a little bit more of our black pepper,
Yeah.
a little bit more of our salt. So we might put a little bit more. So, you know, it's as you're liking to your taste. So we could just sprinkle a little bit more here, okay? And we'll just kind of mix that back up a little bit while it's here. And just a little bit more black pepper on here. Okay. And we'll just mix that up again on what's on the foil, and then we're gonna get that right into the oven.
Okay.
And once Ian's done with that, then we'll move on to our potatoes. Well, Ian, look at our bacon chicken pesto. And look at those beautiful gourmet potatoes. You
Yes.
see how the Parmesan just like became... Well, you know what we have to do, eat, right?
Yeah.
Time to eat, dig in and eat.
All
So,
of that. Bon
bon
appetit.
appetit. I can't wait.
Ooh. Ever since we were cooking these, I was dying to taste one.
You're ready at your chicken. Ooh, tell me.
Mm.
How good is it with this turkey bacon?
You're on chicken. I'm on the sprouts.
Mmm.
To die for. To die for.
And the chicken is so soft and moist. Mmm. The pesto sauce,
Mm-hmm.
I just want to lick it. I just want to eat it by itself. I've had some bread, I dip it.
Yeah.
And try this pesto sprouts with the pear.
The Brussels sprouts are delicious.
Try to get a little bit of that. Yeah, get some
Wow.
red bell peppers in here.
Wow. The flavors that are bursting in my mouth right now from this chicken is unbelievable.
The
Delicious.
Brussels sprouts are so well roasted.
Yeah, they're perfect. Delicious. Mom, you
With a
did it
little
again.
salt of the turkey bacon. Phenomenal.
Please
Let me taste this.
remember to hit the like
Potato.
button. Not only hit the like button, but subscribe. And learn these. They're delicious. Wow.
With the little clusters of Parmesan on it. Has a little slight crunch. It is like all of your taste buds are tantalizing. This is truly a party in your mouth. You will not regret. This is a gourmet, quick, and relaxing Christmas. If you don't want to go out and make the big turkey and, you know, like you did for Thanksgiving and
Without a
ham,
doubt.
you get yourself some chicken breasts or you get yourself some chicken thighs. Get whatever bacon that you do eat, whether it's turkey or it's pork. Make this, you know, get yourself some vegetables, some Brussels sprouts. You
They're
know,
delicious.
you can even use, if you like, some sun-dried tomatoes to get that red color if you don't want to use the bell peppers. And these potatoes are divine. Again, you can use yourself yellow potatoes only or red potatoes only. I just like to have the contrast of the variety of colors, so I do the red, the yellow, and the purple. But to your own, to what you have, to what you can get, but you can make this meal. And you can relax and spend time with your family this year making this meal.
And
Do
enjoy.
not forget to give us your comments. We'd love to hear from you. Click the subscribe button so you can hear from us when a notification comes out of a video that we've uploaded. And please give us a hug, a big hug, by clicking the like button.
Yes,
Thank you
please.
so much. Love you guys.
Take care.
Bye.
Merry Christmas.